Rise in atmospheric temperature is a global phenomenon. One of the common causes for global warming is the excessive deforestation all over the world. The same activity could be seen in Manipur as well. In the hills of Manipur, forests are being cleared without restrictions. This has caused a drastic change in the climatic condition of the region. Scarcity of fresh water in water bodies like rivers, streams, ponds and lakes, and at the same time, flash floods and droughts have become a common incident. One such example is the drying up of Imphal River, making the people living on the banks suffer, and the mudslide we saw in Senapati district few years back. Deforestation is prohibited by the Supreme Court of India, but in spite of all these restrictions, forests are cleared right under the nose of Forest Department in the hills of Manipur. In a recent visit to Sangsak in Ukhrul district, a team of Impact News came across the shocking sight of mindless destruction of forests, either by burning or cutting down the forest. The hills looked barren and naked with no sight of green living trees. If the Forest Department do not take necessary steps to immediately check the terrible blunder man is committing, the time is not far when these hills become a desert. One of the reasons for cutting down of trees and clearing of forest is the ever-increasing demand for timber, firewood, charcoal, and land for jhum cultivation. The time has come for the government of Manipur to look seriously into the problems and act to save the environment. This news is a part of the Impact Green campaign.
The world is facing the problem of global warming, and every nation in the world is trying to protect nature. But on somewhere near in Sangsak, we can see that there is a mass deforestation taking place, and this will have a negative impact in the global climatic condition. This is Buchi Mayanglabam with camera person Inamucha for Impact News.